So this is how you measure the rebate on a flag hinge. So you get this line here, and I usually just put something like a sticky across so as we can identify the edge. So get it up along there, nice and snug but not tight. Now push down so as the sticky will stick. Of course we need that. And then you get your ruler and you put it right up against the frame. So make sure it's good and tidy, and you can see with this one here, this one is 16 millimeters. So from the frame out to the edge of the hinge itself on that piece. So I'll just let that run away and we'll just do it again. So now you can see where I'm talking about. Okay, so 16 millimeter.